Changing the phone number linked to your Facebook account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Facebook app or website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to your current account. Step 2. Go to Settings. Once logged in, click on the downward arrow in the top right corner on desktop or tap the 3 horizontal lines on mobile. Select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Step 3. Access your phone numbers. In the Settings menu, find the Mobile or Contacts section. Here, you will see your current phone numbers associated with your account. Step 4. Edit your phone number. Click on the option to add a new phone number or edit your existing one. Enter your new phone number and follow any prompts to verify it, usually by receiving a text message. Step 5. Save changes. After verifying your new phone number, make sure to save your changes. Check your settings again to confirm that the new number is listed correctly. Once you've completed these steps, your Facebook account will be updated with your new phone number. If you encounter any issues, refer to Facebook's Help Center for further assistance.